Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CHF for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, Gold, USD and many more. So let's get started. And wish you all a very happy new year. Hopefully you'll be making lots and lots of money this year. So this is the Forex chart of USD CHF in front of us right now. If we analyze the trend of the market here, then we can see that right now market is very bearish. There is heavy selling pressure going on in the chart of USD CHF. So you can see that I have also drawn many lines here. So let's try to understand what are these levels and what are the trading opportunities for us on this chart. The last traded price of USD CHF is 0.9116 and we have a support at 0.9100 to 0.9080. This is a support zone on the USD CHF chart. If I zoom out, then you can see that this level has been acting as a strong support for the market whenever USD CHF has tested this level. And as per our expectation, this level still acting as a valid support and provided the support to the market. If you have a buy position or long position on USD CHF right now, then please continue with the position. And if you are looking for fresh entry, if you are looking for a fresh buy position on USD CHF, then let the market open on Monday. Let's see how the price is doing or how the price is reacting. If you see that market is still respecting the support zone, then I think you can take a buy position. Okay, so if you find market respecting the support zone, you can take a buy. But on the other hand, if you see market going down or crossing the level of 0.9100, then the next buying opportunity on this chart will be at 0.9080. Okay, so if this level fails to provide support to the market, then 0.9080 will be the next support. Overall, this is a buyer's zone in the market, so we can expect that there can be a good bounce from here. Okay, let's wait and watch. So if it bounces, you can easily go for buy. But on the other hand, if there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, if you see heavy selling on USD CHF chart, if market breaks the level of 0.9080, then you can take a sell position. But my dear friend, after the market opening on Monday, usually we see market lying flat. There is not much movement in the market, so I don't think so that market will be too volatile and break this important support. In case it breaks, I'll be coming down on Monday and I'll explain what should be your next move or strategy. Okay, and at the top we have the trend line acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. So in the coming week, not Monday, in the coming week, when market will be going up, the trend line will be acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. If you do not have this line drawn on your chart, then please include the line, because this line is a good resistance for the market. There is a good possibility of market bouncing from this level. So in the future, whenever market will be reversing from this trend line, we can definitely take a sell position. And apart from this level, we also have 0.9150 to 9160, this level also as the resistance in the market. If you're wondering why this level is important, from where did it come, then this level belongs to the weekly chart. Okay, so this was previously the support from the weekly chart, but right now market is trading below the support. Therefore we can assume that the support will be the new resistance in the market. Okay, so 0.9150 to 0.9160 will be acting as a new resistance in the market, and if market goes up in the coming days, then there is a possibility of market reversing from this level. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of USD CHF right now. After the market opening, observe the market. Okay, because we do not see much movement during the initial hours, so be careful. Okay, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well, isn't it? Nobody has 100% accuracy. So bye bye, take care, see ya on Monday.